Do you have a store on Amazon? If not, why? With its vast selection of products, its revenue number in 2022 amounted to $514 billion. For the new entrepreneur, finding your niche might be a daunting task, particularly if you don't have a specific preference or you're just hunting for a money-making venture. Don't you worry, as I'm here to shed some light on the best-selling categories on Amazon for 2023. Welcome to Ali Dropship channel. Let's begin. Let's start with a category that's always in demand: smartphone accessories. With around almost 7 billion smartphone users worldwide right now, that category continues to maintain a robust demand. The variety in this sub-niche is wow. Whether customers seek clear cases, protective gear, or bold color statements, cases for smartphones cater to a wide array of preferences, ensuring sustained demand as smartphone models evolve. So, benefits of selling smartphone accessories are: global audience. The universal need for smartphones extends to their accessories. As I mentioned, there are billions of phone users around the world. Easy to ship. These items are typically lightweight and compact, reducing shipping complications and costs. Next up, a niche that never goes out of style: baby products. Babies are born every day, and so the demand for baby products never diminishes. Why sell baby products? There is a consistent demand. Parents always need something that'll make their everyday life easier. Customer loyalty. Parents often stick with brands they trust, which can lead to repeat purchases and referrals. There are so many options to choose from. Baby clothes, products for new parents, toys, you choose. Want to improve your life? Make your bed first. Moving on to bedroom decor. Who doesn't love cozy bedroom filled with plush bedding? Amazon has become a go-to destination for bedroom decor and essentials. Why sell bedroom decor? Wide variety. Selling online allows you to offer a broad range of styles and designs, catering to individual customer preferences. Seasonal opportunities. Bedroom decor often changes with seasons, leading to regular product updates and potential repeat purchases. To cook up your success, kitchen tools and gadgets. In the same vein as bedding, kitchen gear including storage solutions and tools is a hit on Amazon. So many options for any purpose and budget. Benefits? High demand. The need to cook and store food makes kitchen tools a consistently sought-after category. Range of price points. From affordable basics to high-end gadgets, you can cater to a wide range of customer budgets. Now on to the next category: gardening gear. Thanks to the COVID-19 pandemic, the interest in gardening, planting, and growing your own goods has risen. And the good thing is that so many options are on the market for whatever purposes. Benefits. Growing interest in sustainability and homegrown produce, providing a large customer base for gardening products. Wide product range. From seeds to tools and decor, this niche allows for a broad product offering. What about entertainment? Sell some electronic work or game accessories. The world of work and play has been revolutionized by headphones, a necessary accessory for Zoom calls or intense gaming sessions. It's almost impossible to imagine everyday life without gadgets. Selling electronics is great because these products cater to a broad customer base, from remote workers to gamers. Potential for high-value sales. High-end headphones and gaming accessories can command impressive prices, increasing potential profits. And there you have it, the best-selling categories on Amazon for 2023. These niches provide a glimpse into the potentially lucrative areas you can explore for building your own brand on Amazon, or even for reselling. Want a carefree and seamless e-commerce start? Check out our established dropshipping stores right now. Take what's already working and not worry about starting from scratch. Got some specific preferences or ideas? Custom Store is for you. Let our team cater to your vision and preferences and make the store that will be a continuation of you. By the way, with both of these offerings, our experts can help you create and set up your Amazon seller account. And that's just one of the many benefits you can get with our stores. Get ready to conquer the e-commerce game absolutely hassle-free. Book a free consultation by following the link in the top right corner or find one in video description too. Now you know the best-selling categories on Amazon. Hope it was informative for you, and if it actually was, hit the like and subscribe buttons. Leave your comments down below and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!